Alright guys, I received this in the mail while I was out of town. I am a truck driver, and basically a truck is also an RV because it has a bed inside of it, and I sleep in it. And I am going to be using this in my 18-wheeler to try it out to see how I like it. If it works out great, then I'll keep using it. But this is my new STARLINK, and we are going to be unboxing it tonight. Here's where it came from. Space Exploration Technologies Corporation in Hawthorne, California. And here we go. I already broke the tape. Let's see what we got inside. Got some sort of a cover here. Got the SpaceX logo. We got some sort of a plastic cover here. This might come in handy for building a box afterwards. We got some sort of stand here. Looks like we got anchor points in the holes we can anchor it with on all four corners if we need to. Most likely I will not be using this stand on my 18-wheeler. Maybe I will. Some sort of space here. Man, this dish has already got some marring on it. Check that out. Check that out. Look at this puppy. It's kind of heavy. So, I need to find out what diameter this insert is right here, because I'm going to probably go buy a PVC pipe and attach it to this. And the cable is coming right down through the middle of it. Alright, let's see what else is in the box. Put that off to the side. I'm doing this on my bed. So it says we got a dish. We got something that plugs into the wall. And then we got the STARLINK app on my phone. So, let's see. That's the only instructions it comes with. It shows the dish, I guess the router, and my phone. That's it. Okay, this must be the router. Oh wow. How in the heck am I supposed to... Wow, that's crazy. There is no way to hook it up to a separate wireless router. I guess this is the wireless router. That's super dope. What we got here? We got some numbers and STARLINK information down here. Alright. Holy smokes. What am I supposed to do with all this cable? And this looks like USB-C. Nope. It's sort of like a HDMI plug. And it's molded in such a way that I don't think anybody would find that cable anywhere. So it's some sort of like a HDMI plug. And it does not look like it's detachable from this base. So this is going to be a lot of extra cable. And here is the power cable. What's up with this? It's a watertight power cable. I guess it's made so it can be installed outdoors possibly. And a regular wall plug. Some regulatory information here. We got all sorts of languages, even France. English, right here, English. I'm not sure how this is going to help me install this. It looks more like a plug and play system. I think what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to go buy a plastic tote that this will fit into, and I will just store it in the plastic tote with the box and everything, because this is it. There's nothing else to it. There's a plastic tub. We got the dish. We got the stand. We got the router. We got the plug. That's it. Nothing else. So this is the starting of this video. We will see what we can do to get this up and running tomorrow. So let's see what this instruction's all about. Let's kind of open this with one hand since I only have one hand available. Holy smokes. Oh, there's Shasta. Everybody say hello, Shasta. Hey, Shasta. Hi. Alright, so let's see. We got, I don't know what language that is. We got English, French, the Netherlands, German. Still, I don't know what that is. Anybody know what that language is right there? Dansk. I think this is German, Dutch, got French, and then we got English. So I won't need any of this except for this one page. Product description, STARLINK kit, operating temperatures, safety notice, lighting protection, radiation exposure statement. What the fudge? Any changes or modifications? Well, there's not really going to be any modifications. I'm just going to have to build a different mount to mount this on my truck. Or RV, whatever you want to call it. So, that's what I got. I've got a bunch of cable, and it fits nicely down here in the bottom of the box. I have what looks to be a router right there. I've got this power cable right there. And then I've got this rectangle dish with dog hair already on it. And then we got this end that needs to plug into a PVC pipe or something similar, preferably something metal, maybe. And then, let's see, I think this was on top of it like this. Yeah, that was how it went. So, whatever I do, I need to make it with a notch in it so it can't move around. So if anybody has a mount for this, like a ladder rack mount or something similar to that, I'm gonna have to get something like that. And then, let's see, This is like a cast metal of some sort. And then we got this cover here. And then we got small instructions right there. So here in a couple of days, probably Saturday, probably Saturday afternoon, I'll probably do a video hooking it up because I'm busy tomorrow. But this is just my unboxing video. Thanks for sticking around and watching. But this is going to be my internet on the open road in my big rig. Alright, talk to y'all later.